Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get the medium pouch in OSRS. First, you must complete the Enter the Abyss mini-quest, which grants you access to the Abyss itself. This area is crucial for obtaining the pouch. Additionally, ensure you have at least level 25 runecrafting, as this is the requirement to actually use the medium pouch once you acquire it. Get ready for some combat. To enter the Abyss, speak with the Mage of Zamorak located just north of Edgeville. He will teleport you directly into the dangerous area. Be aware that player killers can attack you in the wilderness before entering. Alternatively, if you have completed In Search of the Myrek, you can use the fairy ring code ALR for a safer, direct route to the Abyss entrance. Once inside the Abyss, your goal is to kill any of the abyssal creatures: the Abyssal Leech, Abyssal Guardian, or Abyssal Walker. These monsters are the only source for the medium pouch. The good news is that the medium pouch is a guaranteed drop from the first abyssal creature you kill, provided you do not already have one in your inventory or bank. The medium pouch is incredibly useful for runecrafting, allowing you to carry an additional 6 pure essence or rune essence. Remember, it degrades after 10 uses and will need to be repaired by the Dark Mage within the Abyss or by using a pouch protector. This helps maximize your essence runs. Before you go, make sure to check the description below for a link to those fantastic meal prep containers and other great deals. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.